Hey guys, welcome back to Know with Joe. Have you tried everything to get rid of that smell in your BMW? Yeah, me too. I've cleaned the carpets, I've aired it out, and I even tried the BMW natural air freshener to see if that helped. And while it does, as long as the car is running and the air is running, I wanted to find something more, something to help when you first get into that car and there's that smell when you first put on the air conditioning. So what I tried was the BMW odor remover. And I'm going to show you how it works in this video and let you know if it actually works. Let's know. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run it right here on the floor. And I'm going to turn the air on full while it runs. I'll leave my car running. I want it to run through the air conditioning system. So I'm going to leave it in there. I'm going to run it for the time as it states right here. It says 2 minutes. I'm going to leave it probably about 5 unless I see that it has fully stopped working. So yeah, let's get it going. Okay, cool. So I'm going to get my car going. Auto start stop off, obviously. I'm going to get my air on full. It's down there. I'm going to start it. I'm going to close the doors. I'm going to run it for 5 minutes and we'll see. I'm going to turn on the AC in the back here as well. Max AC in the back. Perfect. Okay. Let's do it. Okay, we are set. I'm going to go around and start this and then close the doors and come back in 5 minutes. Put this on right here. Okay, it's done. That was super easy. It smells great in here, like a little bit minty, but I don't smell any foul smell at all. I'm going to turn off the car and I'll report back in the morning. We'll see how it is. Okay. Good morning, guys. It is the next day after I did the deodorizer in the car. And to be honest with you, it smells minty. It smells almost like chewing gum. Not strong, it's like subtle, but it's definitely there. And the nice thing was when I turned on the car and the air conditioning, there wasn't that kind of like initial mildew smell that I smell sometimes, like wetness. So I'm gonna keep monitoring this, but I am pretty happy with the outcome. And we'll see if it just kind of gets rid of that smell in general. So thanks a lot for watching, and let me know if you have any questions, if you have any experience using this yourself, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. Thanks a lot, guys. I'll see you on the next one.